long do you think it takes for an air compressor to fill up? This Semprox SAC1203 does it in just 95 seconds. Stable pressure, super quiet, and built for continuous use. All free and low maintenance, perfect for workshop or home use. This is a real-time test, no cuts, no edits. Getting close. Can it really make it in just 95 seconds? "95 seconds, done." Don't just take our word for it, see the results for yourself. Have questions? Feel free to message us. We're happy to help.